to share about in this FullCalendar JS library. I'm going to share about how to customize our calendar view by changing the style of this day cell box, how to change the event background, event colors, how to change the day name styles, how to customize the styles of these date numbers. I'm going to share about this. So let's go to our code file. Here I have integrated the FullCalendar link, and here I give ID as calendar and call that ID and initialize FullCalendar. And here I added some buttons and I added one event. Here you can see these are the basic setup of FullCalendar. Now we are going to change the style of the calendar. So to change the style of calendar, first let's change the background color of the D cell box. So I will create a CSS style tag, and for the D cell, this D cell box, we have to use the class as FC grid day. Let's write fc first. This is for FullCalendar. So .fc, I didn't give this .fc class in anywhere. This come from FullCalendar, so we can use that class because it has the default name as fc. And in that FullCalendar.fc, to change the background color, we can use the class daygrid fc daygrid day. This class is for this day box, so we can add the style here. Background color, for example, I will give blue violet. If I save here, the D cell boxes are in blue violet color. Like this, we can change the background color of the day cell box by using the class fc daygrid day. And the next thing what we can do, here I have created an event 1. Now it is not clear and I want to change this event background color, so for the event we can use fc event, and we can use the background color brown. Let's use the brown. Here it has changed to brown. To change the event color, we can use the class fc event, and we can also change the border color. Let's give us green. Let's try. Here the border color is now changed to green. Now the border color is white. Like this, we can change the background color and border color of events when the class fc event. And the next thing what I want to do is to change the text inside the event. So for the text inside the event, can use .fc for full calendar and .fc event, and there in the event this is event title event 1, because here I give us here title. We have to add in the title, and I give the name as event 1, so this is event title. Here we have to use that event title, fc event title, and here we can change the color. I'll change to, for example, yellow. Let's try here. The event 1 has changed to yellow, but this 5a is not changed because this is time, not event title. Here this is the time, I give 5 a.m. so it is 5a showing. If I want to change the date format, I can change with numeric 2-digit. Now it is showing 5 a.m. Now I want to change the style of this time. So for the time it is the same as in full calendar. In event we have to change the time. So I will copy this, and the next one I will add not event title, this time event time. If I save, now the time is also changed to yellow. Now the next thing what we can do, here there are day name Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I want to change the text of this day name. So to change the day name, we can use the class in full calendar in .fc column header, because these are the header, the title. So header cell Fusion, we can use this class. This is the default class came from full calendar. Here we can use the colors. For example, I will give as red. Let's trying to change red here. The day name I changed to red. So to change the day name, we can use the class as fc column header cell Fusion. But there might be some different in any other version. This is full calendar 6.1.8. so in this full calendar version 6, you can use these classes. And the next thing what I want to do is I want to change the date number, because we have changed the background color, so it is not showing the day name clearly. So to change the date number, we can use .fc for full calendar and .fc date grid and day number. Here fc day grid day is for the box, and here day grid day number is for the date number. I will change to color. I will simply give black. Now the dates are showing clearly. It has changed to black color. Now the next thing what I want to do, if I want to change only some day background color, not all day color. For example, I want to change only Saturday and Sunday, because these are holiday, and I want to show this Sunday and Saturday in a different color. For that we can use .fc and .fc day, and the next one is set is for Saturday, and the next one fc day sun is for Sunday. For the Saturday and Sunday and Saturday, we can use background color. I will use this color here. The Sunday and Saturday color has changed. This is useful in some cases where you want to show which dates are holiday, like by changing this color for some dates, not for all dates. Here I change for Saturday and Sunday, I change a different color. Like this we can change the background color of some day. So in this video I share about how to change the day background color, how to change the event border, event background, event color, time color, how to change the month name color, and how to change specific day background color. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for your attention.